Hello again everyone, Mel from Stocksbridge Guitar Tech, and we're here with lesson 19 today. In the last lesson, lesson 18, we learned the E minor pentatonic scale down at the open position here. We call that shape 1. There are 5 shapes in total, and today what we're going to be learning is shape 2 of the E minor pentatonic. And in that introduction I just played there, that was the shape I was using, shape 2. So let's zoom in and I'll show you shape 2 of the E minor pentatonic scale. So because this is the second shape of the E minor pentatonic, we have to start on the second note, which is G. If you remember, the notes are E, G, A, B and D. That's the 5 notes. But this time, instead of starting on the open E, we're going to start on the 3rd fret, the G. And we need to use the middle finger really here. You want to think of your fingers as covering 1 fret each. So index gets the 2nd fret, middle gets the 3rd fret, ring gets the 4th fret, and pinky gets the 5th fret. Now some people do use their index finger on the G, but just be aware if you do that, it means you have to jump when we get down to the A string. We have to move the hand down. But if you do it using the middle finger, there's no need to do that, because the fingers are already there in position. So we start with the middle finger on the low E at the 3rd fret. Then we play an A on the low E string with our pinky finger on the 5th fret. Then we play with the index finger on the A string, the 2nd fret, which gives us B. So far we've got G, A, B. Now on the A string we play the 5th fret with the pinky finger. That gives us D. And then on the 4th string with the index finger in the 2nd fret we play E. So we've now got G, A, B, D, E. So the same notes, just in a different order. Instead of E, G, A, B, D, we've got G, A, B, D, E. So practice that part first. G, A, B, D, E. So that's middle on the 3rd fret, little finger on the 5th fret, index finger on the 2nd fret, little finger on the 5th fret, index finger on the 2nd fret. then carrying on from there, once you've got that, from this position here, this E, we're going to place the little finger again on the 4th string in the 5th fret, which gives us another G. Then on the 3rd string we're going to play the index finger at the 2nd fret. Then we're going to play on the 3rd string 4th fret with the ring finger. So that second half we've got on the 4th string index and little finger. On the 3rd string we've got index and ring finger. So we've got 2nd fret, 5th fret, 2nd fret, 4th fret. Then the next note is this 2nd string at the 3rd fret with the middle finger. And then pinky in fret 5 of the 2nd string, and then we play that same thing again on the 1st string. So middle finger 3rd fret, pinky finger 5th fret. So this one is quite different from shape 1, as you can see. So we've got from the 3rd fret to the 5th fret on the low E, then from the 2nd fret to the 5th fret on the A, same again, 2nd fret to the 5th fret on the D, on the G, 2nd fret to 4th fret, on the 2nd string 3rd fret to 5th fret, and same again on the 1st string 3rd fret to the 5th fret. And that's the entire pattern. So that's the E minor pentatonic shape 2. So there we are, folks. That's the shape 2 of the E minor pentatonic scale. So now, when you've got this one down, you know 2 of the shapes, shape 1 and shape 2. So go away and practice it. Keep practicing shape 1, plus all the other things we've done. If you need to watch the lessons again, go back and watch them. You can watch them as many times as you like. And in the next lesson, which will be lesson 20, we're going to cover shape number 3 of the E minor pentatonic. So I do hope you'll join me for that, and I hope you're going on all right with your guitar playing, and I'll see you in lesson 20. But please remember to subscribe and click that little bell notification. It would really help me out. Thanks again for watching. That's all for today. Bye for now.